Hello all, myself Suresh Kumar. This is our 19th class. In this class we will discuss about LCD display and 7-segment LED display. This is for output purpose. In this video we will cover about how to interface this LED with microcontroller, how to interface the LCD, and how to interface the 7-segment LED with microcontroller. We will cover these two topics in this single video. I am creating a new project for that 7-segment LCD and LED. Segment. Creating a project and put it into desktop. There is new folder, rename it LCD and 7-segment. Now I am designing. I picked up one 77A processor, and then go to pick device here. Just type 16 into 2. That is alphanumeric LCD display. You got it. Then connect with D0 going to D0 and D1 going to D1. These all are data lines. It has an byte, it has an 8-bit. The LED, this 16 to 2 LCD have a 16 or I think 15 or 16 connection are available. Pin connection are available. RS going to B0, read write going to B1, and enable going to B2. I think I will check it. RS going to pin B0, RS going to pin B0. Okay. RW going to pin B1, read write, that means read write going to B1, and enable going to pin B2. So okay, connection is okay. Just save it. Inside the LCD, 7-segment LCD, design LCD. Just save it. Okay, save it. Got it. Now call inside our MPLAB IDE. Just go to debugger, select tool, one PROTEUS VSM. Yeah, we are got it. Here inside our MPLAB IDE. Just click on LCD.c, LCD design. We got it. Just run it. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's blinking, but not displaying it. Displayed it. We are going like this. We are making this. It's making some delay. Is not an issue. We don't want this command. We can. We don't want it here. We want that. Yes, we want it. Sorry, here it is. I'm making again low. Sorry, here it is high to low. This is high to low. Yeah, I got it. Here it is. You can see it. Still printing. If you want to delete that previous printer, just LCD, put a command for that, send a command to that LCD, 0 into something, I'll check it, clear display 0 into 01, 01, this will be clear the display. Just blink it, just click it, hello, again and again and again, printing, cleared and printing. Okay, now I will explain about that. Yeah, this is LCD 16 into 2 LCD and 7 segment LED. Here it is. I didn't do anything in this case. I just these 3 lines you already know about it. This is the pre-processed directive, and I just defines that for my reference. B0 pin is for register select. This LCD have a 3 command lines are there, and 8 data lines are there. So the RS one is pin is RS, that is pin B0. RS means register select, and read write. Read write means we can write or read in that LCD. This is a command line also. This is enable to enable the LCD, and we had some protocols. We have some kind of rules to print the LCD and read the LCD from memory or LCD memory. So I'm just printing the hello world. I'm just creating a 2 functions, that is with user parameters. User can send the parameter, send into this function. This is command, LCD command. In this command have a output. First I'm going to switch making B0, which means RS going to low. Then also the read rate also going to low. For if 0 means the LCD will be change the mode to write. If send a high, the LCD will be read mode. It will be changed into read mode. Now the LCD is write mode, so I'm just putting in this read write pin into low, push force into low. So this LCD going to read mode, working write mode, and then just enable the enable pin. Just set high, just as milliseconds. I am just using 10 milliseconds. You can use 5 milliseconds or 100 milliseconds, that what you want. You just put a just enable the enable pin, and then making some delay like 10 milliseconds, and then again you force into low, go to low, disable the enable line, which means switch off the enable line. This is a command mode. In this command mode, and this is the data mode. This is also one of the function. You can send a parameter into this function. In data mode, the LCD output high, the register is high. Same in not same in command mode. Register select, in this mode we will enable the register select pin, and then we will again low this in this data mode we will write our character into that LCD. So again we will making a write mode, we will maintain the write mode our LCD. So I'm just forcing down this pin I'm just low this read write pin, and just making switch off that. I'm just making low that read write pin. So in this time the read write is 0, read write pin is 0, so it is low. And then output high, enable the output high. Just switch on the enable pin, which means high the enable pin, and making some delay, or you can what you want, 10 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, that whatever you want. Then again you put a low that pin. This is the data mode. The difference between these two mode, you only have you just verify it. Register select is the one of the difference in this two mode. In command mode we will this register select is 0, and this data mode have this register select is 1, which means we make high. This is the two mode. Then we will we had a data bit data lines to send our data into that our character into that print into that LCD. I'm just making that pin is high. The port is I'm setting configuring that port is output, and then making some delay for configuration, and then output D. I initialize before get into that while, that is 000 initialized. Everything is switched off. All the data, all the pins are switched off. So then again I making some delay. This is for only for professional thought. If some garbage values are inside our processor or in our display, so when we entered into the program, when the processor is switched off, again then switch on, the memory may be inside our the data may be inside our memory, so that will be printed on our LCD. So this is not good thing. So we want to force delete everything. So that's why I'm using here 000, and then I'm just putting a super loop. In this loop have a LCD command mode. I'm just send a command to this. I'm send a value into this function. Here it is. I send a value, and here it is. I send a 0 into 0e, which means this is an exa value. You can go through it. You can just download it. LCD command code 16 to the LCD command code. You just Google it. 16 to LCD command mode commands. You got it. This is an exa code. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I had an 18 command here, but a lot of commands are there for this LCD. If you send 0 into 01, and the display will be clear. If any garbage value is available in your printed in your display, that will be clear. Now I'm sending my first command is 0 into 0e. That means display and cursor blinking. This will be this command will be display. Switch on the display, and then this cursor, here it is on the cursor. Cursor is blinking in this area, and then I will send a data, LCD data, like a single character. I will in this mode I can send a single character only, because I'm using single unsigned char only. So I can send only the character, only one character. I just send a hello first. In data mode, this going to be this sketch going to be here, and then printed in going to in this data lines. The H is going to in this data lines. the same time the pins are 3 pins are command pins are putting into data mode. This LCD force into data mode. Then HELLO again I send it. Then wait for 100 millisecond, 1000 milliseconds for 1 second, which means 1 second. Then I send a LCD command again to this this function. This is an LCD command, so I send here my command 0 into 01 for clearing the LCD. I send again 0 into 01 here and here, and it is clearing. It is printing again and again and again the same lines. If I mask this pin, mask this line, see what it happens. You got it? It will be printing next digit. If I enable this line, it will be printing on same locations, same digit, because clear the clear the LCD, then again force into first line, first character and second character, third, fourth, fifth. So this is an LCD. Just go through it. If you have any doubt in this tutorial, please mail me. Don't hesitate to ask about technical details. Just mail me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. The next class we will discuss about 7 segment LED.